Welcome to Tally Help videos. Managing your Amazon B2B and B2C sales, refunds and settlements data just got a whole lot easier with Tally Prime Release 7.1 and Amazon plugin. Let's walk through how to enable the Amazon plugin. Ensure that you have Tally Prime Release 7.1 and an active TSS. Visit Tally Solutions website using the link provided in the video description. Enter your Tally serial number and click Enable Now. Enter OTP and complete the process. Switch to Tally Prime and press F5 to update your license. Enter your Tally.net ID and password. Press F1. Tally Plugins to view the plugin for Amazon. Before you begin importing Amazon data, there are a few important setup steps you need to complete. You'll need to import predefined ledgers and create voucher types. Let's walk through the process. Now go to your Tally Prime installation folder. Navigate to App Resources, Plugins, Amazon Data Import folder. Open the sample ledger Excel file and review the list of ledgers. If any of these ledgers already exist in your company, delete them from this Excel sheet and save. This prevents existing ledgers from being overwritten during import. Now let's import the updated file into Tally Prime. Press Alt-O, Masters. In the Import Masters screen, select Excel Spreadsheet from the list of file formats. Select the sample ledgers file. Select the worksheet name as Ledger from the list of worksheets. On list of mapping templates, select Default Template and choose Ledger. For behavior of import, if master already exists, select Modify with new data. Now press Ctrl-A to accept. Press I, Import, to complete the process. Next, create voucher types under Sales for Amazon B2B sales and Amazon B2C sales. Make sure that method of voucher numbering is manual. If your company has multiple GSTINs, then use Common Voucher Numbering Series for all GST registration must be Yes. Similarly, create voucher types for Amazon B2B sales returns and Amazon B2C sales returns. In this case, type of voucher must be credit note. Once these steps are completed, you're all set to import your Amazon data smoothly into Tally Prime. While importing, Tally Prime will automatically process the data as required. This includes managing the negative amounts for sales returns. Now import your Amazon sales, returns, and settlements data seamlessly, all in just a few simple steps. First, let's look at how to import your Amazon data for B2B sales. Download the B2B sales and sales returns data from Amazon seller's site. You will get an Excel file with the data for a month. To begin import, in Tally Prime press Alt-O. Transactions. In the Import Transactions screen, select Excel Spreadsheet from the list of file formats. Select the file downloaded from Amazon. Select the worksheet name as Amazon Sales from the list of worksheets. For B2B sales transactions, choose the mapping template Amazon B2B shipments from the list of mapping templates. Now press Ctrl-A to accept. Review the summary displayed and then press I, Import, to complete the process. Similarly, choose Amazon B2B refunds to import B2B sales returns transactions from the same Amazon file. Get the B2C file from Amazon. Use Amazon B2C shipments to import B2C sales and Amazon B2C refunds to import B2C sales returns. You can instantly verify the imported entries in the daybook, where all sales vouchers are listed for the selected period. Now, let's see how to import settlement receipts and tax-related entries. Download the settlements file from Amazon seller's site and open the .txt file. This file also has tax-related entries. Next, copy the entire data and paste it into an Excel and save it. The data appears as shown. Now go to Import Transactions. Choose the file to import. Select the worksheet name as Sheet 1 from list of worksheets. Choose the mapping template as Amazon Settlement Receipt for bank receipts from the list of mapping templates. Now press Ctrl A to accept. Review the summary displayed and then press I, Import, to complete the process. Similarly, for tax-related entries, select Amazon Settlements TDS, TCS, GST. You can see the imported settlements in your daybook. With the Amazon Data Import plugin on Tally Prime 7.1, you can effortlessly import and manage your sales, returns, and settlement data, all in one place. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete